guys, how are you today? I'm feeling great. So let me ask you a question. Do you like pancakes? Yes, I do, or no, I don't? Yes, I do. I love pancakes. And do you like bananas? Yes, I do, or no, I don't? Yes, I do. I love bananas. So let me ask you another question. Do you like banana pancakes? Yes, I do. I love. So today I will teach you how to make banana pancakes. Take a look at the step by step. Ingredients and kitchen utensils. A banana with brown spots, because the browner the banana is, the sweeter it's gonna be. 2 eggs, oatmeal flour, cinnamon powder, baking powder, a large bowl, a small bowl, a balloon whisk, a fork, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a slotted spatula, a frying pan. Method. First, peel the banana and cut in half. Next, smash it using a fork. Pick up your larger bowl, then crack 2 eggs. After that, beat the eggs using a balloon whisk. Mix it very well. Add 4 tablespoons of oatmeal flour. And mix it. Next, add the smashed banana and blend it all together until it's smooth. After that, add a teaspoon of baking powder and mix lightly until you have a nice thick batter like I have here. Now, heat a pan over medium-low heat. You can also use butter, wrap it in kitchen roll to oil the frying pan. Pour the batter into a heated pan. You can use half of batter for each pancake. Cook in low flame for 1 minute. When you start to see some small bubbles forming over the top, go ahead and flip your pancake using a slotted spatula. Woohoo! Great job! Cook for another 1 minute. That's all! Remove it from the frying pan. Repeat it with the remaining pancake batter. Stack them up on a plate and top with cinnamon powder. It's delicious! You're gonna love it! Kisses!